In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your very own barcodes in Microsoft Word. In my example, I've got orange juice. I've got the ID numbers, I've got 4 different barcodes, and 4 different barcode types. Adding a barcode to your document is incredibly easy. First, select where you want your barcode to go. Then, press Ctrl F9 and these 2 brackets will appear. Then, make sure you note down your ID number of the product. Mine is 1 to 8. Then go back inside your brackets and you're going to paste in this following text. I'll put it in the description below. Display barcode. Speech marks, 1 to 8, speech marks. In this case, you're going to place in your product ID code. Now, because I'm using the system code 128, here, I'm going to type in code 128. Make sure it remains highlighted like this. That's absolutely fine. Then you're going to hit the F9 key. As you can see, the barcode has been generated. After doing one, the rest become incredibly easy. You can just copy and paste that in. Now, you may be asking, Patrick, how can I edit these barcodes? Well, you can right click them, toggle field codes. As you can see, this system follows the code 39. All you've got to do is change, instead of code 128, it becomes code 39. When you're satisfied with your change, hit F9. Now, the next 2 are slightly different. These 2 require 8 digits. These 2 require 12 digits. Please bear in mind that 10 becomes 0, 11 becomes 1, and 12 becomes 2. That's very important. It has to be 13 digits. Right click, toggle field codes, and here I've inputted in the product ID. And instead of code 39, it's EAN13. When you're satisfied, hit F9. And it's exactly the same for the UPC or UPC-A. Just make sure you type in UPC-A here and copy and paste your 12-digit code between the speech marks. When you're happy, click F9. In a matter of seconds, you have now seen 4 different types of barcodes and 4 different barcode systems. You didn't need to install anything. You don't require a font. Word itself has all the tools you need. If this tutorial helped you, please click like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how to customize and implement barcodes into your Word document, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.